Hello, here's an example of a fully formed wireframe for a pretty simple website. So what I'm doing here is I've got my mobile view. I just chose iPhone 8. Doesn't really matter because you're probably going to have a range of single column content um, in, sort of phone size. So this is my mobile view. I'm going to have a smaller font than the desktop view for the H1 and the subhead, smaller images. And I'm just going to have on the desktop, I have this sort of featured image with more content. I'm going to put this in a paragraph that's going to have a special class so that when it's on mobile, you can't see it. And also I'll make the button a little bit smaller for the feature and have it be the same as the content buttons. And then, yeah, the feature will go first, and then this one will go second, third, and fourth. So I'm going to change it from this 2 column will be the first sort of single column conversion I'll make, and then I'll change these 3 columns into being one single column. So this is kind of like my wireframe. And now that I have this, what I can do, I'm going to rename these desktop wire and mobile wire. And then now I can duplicate this. Copy. Group select. Hold on. I can't remember how to. Oh, there you go. Copy paste. Okay, let's turn this one off. Let's call this one desktop design comp. And then I'll do copy paste on this one, turn this one off, mobile design comp. Okay, so now all I need to do is plop in my final content, which in this case is just images. I kind of jumped the gun, I guess, and did font in the wireframe. So I'm gonna just place images, file, place image, cat, place image, Command Shift K is place image, solar system, Command Shift K. Oh, I don't want to. Oh, I have a Notion thing set up. Okay, fine. File, place image, right? Command Shift K. Oh well. Oh, I forgot which one that was. Microflyer. We'll go here, and then Finwhale. File, place image, whale song. Okay, same thing here. File, place cat. File, place solar system. File, place microflyer. And then file, place. Well, all right, so final. And now I have a way of like basically coming in and figuring out this is going to be a 50-50 column, and this is going to be 3 column. And I have a kind of an idea of what I want for padding here, but I can always go in and check. It will kind of like tell you there's 19, so I'll go for like 20 pixels, things like that. Okay, so this is sort of how you would go from final wireframe to final design. Hope your design is a little more exciting than mine. But yeah, wanted to get this part. And then next part is I'm going to talk about coding for media queries first, for mobile first, and then adding a media query to do the desktop version. All right, thanks.